In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Adobe Premiere Pro free trial in 2026 step by step using the official Adobe website. If you want to test Premiere Pro before committing to a subscription, this is the safest and most reliable way to do it. I'll also show you what to expect during setup, why payment details are required, and how to avoid getting charged after the trial ends. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Adobe free trial page for Premiere Pro. You can find it at adobe.com, and I'll also be linking the official page in the description. Make sure you are on Adobe's real website before you continue, because you always want to download creative software from the official source to avoid fake installers or unsafe files. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to start the free trial. Click on Free Trial to begin. Adobe may give you a choice between Premiere Pro only or the full Creative Cloud plan. If your goal is just to test video editing, Premiere Pro only is usually enough. But if you want access to more Adobe apps, the full Creative Cloud plan may be the better option. Choose the plan that fits your needs and then click Continue. Next, Adobe will ask you to sign in. If you already have an Adobe account, just enter your email and password and continue. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new Adobe account during this step. This is part of the normal setup process, and it only takes a moment. Use an email address that you can access, because Adobe may send account verification or subscription-related emails there. After signing in, Adobe will ask you to enter your payment details. This is a required step to activate the trial, even though you will not be charged during the trial period itself. So go ahead and add your card or payment information when prompted. Just remember, the free trial is designed to give you full access for a limited time, and Adobe uses payment details so the plan can convert later if you decide to keep it. Now click Get Started, and Adobe Creative Cloud will begin downloading to your computer. This is the app that manages the installation of Premiere Pro. Once Creative Cloud downloads, run the installer and let it finish setting up on your system. After that, Creative Cloud will automatically install Premiere Pro for you. Depending on your internet speed and computer, this may take a few minutes, so just let the process complete without closing the window. When the installation finishes, launch Premiere Pro from Adobe Creative Cloud or from your desktop or Start menu if a shortcut appears. At this point, you should have full access to the trial version of Premiere Pro. You can start editing videos, importing media, trimming clips, adding effects, working with audio, and exploring the full editing interface just like the paid version. There are a few important things you need to know before you finish. First, the trial lasts for 7 days, and it gives you access to the full version of Premiere Pro during that time. Second, after the trial ends, Adobe may automatically start the subscription unless you cancel beforehand. So if you only want to test the software and avoid being charged, make sure you cancel the trial before it converts to a paid plan. That part is very important. If you want to be extra careful, set a reminder on your phone or calendar for a day before the trial ends. That way, you have plenty of time to cancel if you decide Premiere Pro is not for you. It's always better to stay ahead of the renewal date rather than waiting until the last minute. And that's it. You now know how to download and install the Adobe Premiere Pro free trial in 2026 using the official Adobe process. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides, and comment below if you want me to make a full beginner tutorial on how to use Premiere Pro next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.